Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm just going to be just a brief talking with you on what you are doing right now. Okay, your jam is over. You've done your exam. You've seen your results. If your results are good, you're planning for your post UME, your school, what you're going to be doing. All right, if your school is taking post UME or if it's not. Okay, so I know it's over a month now, so normally I would expect maybe for you to rest at least. Okay, watch all your movies that you've been wanting to watch. Okay, but now, and rest from all the old stress of reading and all that. But now it's time to get serious. So 1 month, you've rested well. Even I too have rested well, from all the old content creation, getting materials ready for you guys to sit for your exam. The online lessons, I've tried to, take some rest. So now we are back to work. All right, you are doing post UME. You have to start reading. You have to start preparing. Okay, it is not when your school says, oh, forms are going to be out. And usually when a school says the forms are out, in like 1 month you have to sit for the exam. Okay, so you can't, and you in 1 month, some schools you can't use 1 month to prepare for their post UME. So please, I beg you right now, pick up, go to the school, find the past questions, pick it up and start studying. Give yourself 2 hours, 3 hours a day. Start studying early. Okay, for schools that do post-UME, and they are mostly federal schools, and their post-UME are quite difficult, okay, for some schools. So please, go to the campus, go to their business centers and pick up the original past questions and start studying. I have some which I'll be sharing very soon on our Telegram group. Join the Telegram group to get notified. There's also a Facebook group where you can ask your questions about every your university, what is happening, if they are doing post-UME and all that. You can ask your questions there on that Facebook group. I'll leave all the links in the video description box or in the comment section. Okay, so that's one way to ask your questions. Okay, apart from commenting, but you can also comment your questions down. So please do make sure you get your post-UME past questions if your school is taking post-UME exam. If your school is not taking post-UME exam, fine and good. Just make sure you are up to date. You always check the school website to find out when their forms are out, and you have a close friend or relative in the school that can always inform you, oh, the form is out. But you, at least 3 times a week, go and check the website, the school website. So that's come to me, how do I get the website? Go on Google. Everything is on Google now. All right, go on Google, search for your school, Federal University of this, okay, and check. Every school has a website. There's no school in this Nigeria that doesn't. The first criteria is for you to have a website. So and they would always share every information on their website. So Google and follow their websites. Go on Facebook, you see some Facebook groups on that particular school. Search for the school and join those groups and get up to date on what is happening. Okay, so that's one way. And you're not preparing for exam. What should you be doing? Because you have a lot of time in your hands. Please don't sit idle at home. Don't use every time watching movies. Go and learn a skill. Okay, I don't really advise youths right now to go and get a job and start making money. No, except your family is not well to do, it's not capable, your mom and dad are not capable to finance, feed and all that. I will say, okay, go and get a job. But if you're not under any pressure to bring money from your parents to take care of your family, please, this is a good time. In the next 6 months, you have like 6 months. In the next 6 months, learn a skill, because most schools, they will start like September, October, and before you enter school, it might be like January. Okay, because with all the they've been backlog and all that. So are you getting me? You start time 3 months. You don't look down on a skill. Learn it. Plumbing, mechanic, automobile, generator repair. In 3 months, if you are very sharp, you should know it. So when you are in school, that is something that can be giving you extra income, okay? Because you have to start. Let me tell you the sincere truth, my brother, my sister. See, your parents will just help you throughout school. when you finish school like this, or you are your own, you go and fend for yourself, except you know, some parents that like pampering, but me, I won't pamper. You will start making money, and you will know how. You have to learn how to make money. Are you with me? Because not are your parents going to be with you forever? No. So you have to start becoming independent, even financially independent. After school, me after school for Oyo. Most people after school is Oyo, you're on your own. Nobody will send you for pocket money and all that. You have to start fending for yourself. So start it while you're in school. You're in school also, it is not only about book. Try and also be learning things, learning skill. It can be soft skill, it can be programming, it can be data. You know, just learn a skill. Right now, the 21st century is all about skills. Please, it's not only academic. Yes, academic is good. You know, it helps your mind. You know, you learn a lot, get a lot of information, but still a hand skill is very important. So use this time to learn a hand skill, a trade. All right. So please, I'm just encouraging you to sit up. Don't focus all your time on movies. No. Please do something. You're preparing for post-UTME. Start reading now. Okay, in your reading, if you want to still learn something, you can do a soft skill like learn design, learn editing, video editing, you know, open a YouTube channel, start TikTok. Don't only consume. Are you with me? Be a creator. We are gods. Create something. All right, not consuming. Be a creator. Shift, let your mindset shift to that of a creator, not just a consumer. Are you with me? Everyone following DTW tutorials, be a creator. Okay, not a consumer, not just scrolling. Be a creator. You create your own content, good content that would bless someone's life, that will add value to you and also to your audience. Okay, so please don't sit back and just youths now, just laid back. Everybody, it happened. Me too. I experienced it. I'm not going to start saying it happens, but when reality check comes, nobody will tell you now. You just do some checks and balances and sit up immediately. So, but I'm advising you now, start early. It's going to help you. So this is my own small speech. So you are done, and JAMB is for those that had issues with not sitting for their exam during the time. I think JAMB is going to release I think I've not confirmed it yet, but I'm going to confirm and share. All right, so there'll be another date for your exam. That's why I'm actually waiting for the top scorer on DTW. There's a token we do every year. I'm actually waiting for everyone to sit for their exam. Their results are out there, so everyone has an opportunity. Those who missed the exam due to maybe data capture, several things under investigation, all those things they are to rewrite. All right, so I'm going to send you information on that soon. All right, so thank you. I just said that this is just a checkup video. I'm just checking up on you. Please don't be laid back. Don't rest because I've gotten 300. No, prepare for that. Your post-UTME. I've gotten this, I've gotten that. No. Okay, for those who scored low, it is not to wait till January before you start preparing. You score 160, 150. It will start preparing now. Please, I forgot to mention that. You scored low. Start preparing now. Don't wait till October or September. No, start now. Change your strategy. You knew what your faults were, what led to your failure, to failing a JAMB exam. You know that. You didn't start early. You didn't follow the syllabus. You didn't use the right textbook. I've done several videos. Go and watch all those videos. Do all those things. Follow the syllabus. Use the right textbook. Start preparing now. Now. Don't wait till August. Don't wait till September. Don't wait till January next year. You will still get that same score. So please, don't look. Every reader is different. If it takes you a longer while to assimilate, that is you. Okay, so start early now. Cover your syllabus 3 times. And I tell you, your results will definitely be better than what you had this year for next year JAMB 2025 examination. So please start preparing now. Get the DTW CBT app to prepare. All right. We were there's a seminar we did, post-JAMB things, and go and watch that video. It's long, so it's on my YouTube channel. That's DTW Tutorials YouTube channel. Watch that video. What did he say? Use the right tools. right now to prepare. And using a CBT app is a right tool to practice and prepare for your examination. Please get the DTW Tutorials app while you are studying now. I beg you, start preparing now for those who scored low. So next year will not be the same issue. Get the syllabus. I've shared all these things. Go to the Telegram group, you will see it. Okay, the link to the Telegram group is in my profile bio, in the video description box. Go to the Telegram group, you will see everything. Timetable, you know, everything is there. Get your syllabus, get the right textbooks, and start preparing now. All right, don't forget also, finally, that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He's the one who's going to lead us to heaven at last. Okay, and right here on earth, he's going to give us peace, he's going to give us joy. Okay, riches and wealth he will give us. All right, just be in him, follow him, and he's going to make everything beautiful again. You know, drop, you know, come to him, tell him your weaknesses, any addiction, anything you're going through. Tell him and rededicate, give your life back to him. Okay, and tell him, Lord, help me. And one thing that will help you, go to a Bible Christian believing church in Jesus, okay, and join a community, join a department, serve him. All right, serve him, and he will make everything, you know. Be constantly under the word, nourishing yourself. After salvation, it doesn't just stop like there. No, you have to nourish your mind. Okay, you have to nourish your soul. All right, so you grow. All right, you grow in his word, you grow you know, spiritually. All right, even mentally you grow just by feeding under you know, the feet of Jesus. Okay, so please do give your life to Christ. All right, and he is coming soon. All right, so finally, you are destined to win. You know, that's DTW Tutorials, destined to win. You are destined to win in life, okay? And also, in every of your career endeavors, you are destined to win. And watch out for several, you know, initiatives and programs that we're going to be launching soon from DTW Foundation. We have a foundation which, you know, helps with youth development, teacher development. Watch out for some programs we're going to be announcing soon. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video. You are destined to win.